Start by creating a plane. Then use the cut tool to connect the corners. Next, select the Inset tool and change the options to polygon. Now choose the Subdivide tool. Now we are coming back to Edit Poly. Afterwards, separate the outer part of the plane. You can use the shortcut Ctrl-I. Go to Polygons and press Alt to unselect some parts. We'll use this section for a different step later on. Detach the object as a clone. Click a few times to select a new object and add a shell modifier. Create a circle and apply either the shell or extrude modifier. Extrude it to a height about 150 centimeters. Move the plane to the height of the pole you're working with. You can use Alt-A shortcut or just move it manually. Now apply the cloth modifier. Set up plane as a cloth. Group the verticals along the outer edge. Then assign them to the node. Create a group for the middle verticals. Click on the node and add it to the pole. Create a copy of the pole and assign it as a collision object for the cloth. We are ready to animate. Enable Auto key, set the frame to 0 and then lower the edge by 150 centimeters at frame 100. Turn off Auto key. Go to frame 0. Finally, go to the cloth modifier and click on Simulate to see everything in action. Now extrude the outer line. Go to Modifiers, add Turbo Smooth and Edit Poly. Now use Freeform. In my videos you can find a special tutorial how to turn it on. I'm using mostly smudge and relax soften actions. Thanks for watching.